In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link in 2025. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing documents with a team, or simply sending a few photos, knowing how to upload files to Google Drive efficiently is essential. Fortunately, Google Drive has made this process straightforward and accessible to everyone. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Drive, or going directly to drive.google.com. Once you're there, it's important to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly if you use multiple accounts, as this will ensure you're accessing the right shared Drive link. Now on the left side of the page, you'll notice a menu. Look for the Shared with Me option and give that a click. This section is home to all the files and folders that others have shared with you, and it allows you to access them with ease. It's like a communal workspace where everyone contributes to the same set of files. Next, you will want to find the specific folder where you'll be uploading your file. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the folder you intend to use. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to open it. Now you're in the shared space where your contributions will live alongside those of your collaborators. Within the opened folder, you'll now look towards the top left corner for a button labelled New. Clicking this button reveals a drop-down menu with several options for uploads and file creations. What we're interested in today is the File Upload option. Clicking on File Upload will open a window that allows you to browse your computer's files. Now, you can select the file or files you wish to upload. If you have multiple files, you can select more than one by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking. Once you've selected the files, simply press Open. This action will initiate the upload process and your files will start making their way onto the shared Google Drive folder. You'll see a small box in the bottom right corner of your screen showing the progress of your uploads. Google Drive will notify you once the process is complete, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded your files to a shared Google Drive link, making them accessible to everyone who has access to that folder. As a helpful tip, it's always good to double check by refreshing the folder to ensure your uploads appear exactly as expected. And remember, if you ever run into issues, try checking the shared link permissions or reaching out to the folder's owner for further assistance. With these steps, you're all set to collaborate seamlessly with your colleagues and friends on Google Drive.